5 Industries revolutionized by IoT technology. Smart manufacturing. IoT technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by enabling the implementation of smart manufacturing processes. Through the use of connected devices and sensors, manufacturers can collect real-time data on equipment performance, production processes, and supply chain operations. Healthcare. Connected devices and wearables allow healthcare professionals to remotely monitor patients' vital signs, medication adherence, and overall health status. This real-time data enables early detection of health issues, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. Agriculture. Connected sensors and devices collect data on soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and crop health, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Transportation and logistics. In the transportation and logistics industry, IoT technology has revolutionized supply chain management and operations. Connected devices and tracking systems enable real-time monitoring of shipments, inventory levels, and delivery routes. Energy. Connected devices and meters collect data on energy consumption, grid performance, and renewable energy sources. Conclusion. In conclusion, IoT technology is revolutionizing various industries by enabling data-driven insights, automation, and intelligent systems.